Hi, this is Thundercavs, and you're watching from a poly perspective. Choo!
What's up, everybody? This is Matt.
Hello, folks. Aaron.
And we're from a poly perspective. Today is day 2 of the Utah Pasifika Festival here in Provo, Utah. And we're setting up, as you can see, the crowds are out, the kids are out, the vendors are out, everybody's out here ready to have a successful day.
Definitely, Matt. And basically, this is what the festival is all about. Coming here together as identifying as Polynesians, businesses, and friends. You know, and the great thing about this, it's not just limited to Polynesians. You know, all races are welcome to come out here and experience this great festival.
Exactly. We've got representatives from all of the Polynesian islands throughout the Pacific. And we're hoping that this is going to be a wonderful opportunity. This is the first here in Provo, Utah. And we're hoping that this becomes an annual event.
So let's go check it out.
Let's check it out.
We're going to start off with Travis over here. He's going to go solo for a little bit. And then we're going to go over here, move here, and then on down the line. When we're done, we're going to have the crowd, based on their cheers, is going to decide the winner.
Go for it.
Okay. No, don't do nothing crazy. Whoa. I told you, yo. Didn't I tell you? Hey, Travis.
Did Travis just buckle on the stage like that?
He sure did.
Apparently, I don't know how to pick my champions. But you know what? Travis, give me a hug. I'm thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Hey,
Okay,
Travis, good job. That's why I didn't pick you, man. It's all good, though. Is she ready? She look ready.
She is ready to have that baby. We are going to help you.
She look ready.
Here we go. Let's go, DJ. Put your hands together.
That dance right there, that's how that baby came about.
That's how she got in the position she's in right now.
Missy, a.k.a. Usher.
Let Utah County know how Tuola does it.
He ain't really gonna give you much, but he's smooth. Go ahead, drop it, DJ. Stay right here. Don't hurt me. Tell me when to count.
It looks like the winner is...
Did I hear correctly put mayonnaise on corn on the top?
Yes. Yeah, we put mayonnaise and also a choice of butter. You should try it. We can give you one.
Yes, please, make me one. Here it is. This is the ultimate judge. About to see. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty good.
Aloha, folks. Here we are with Kenny from Hungry Hawaiian. So he's got some tacos here with a twist.
Well, what we have here is, some basic tacos. We have shrimp, spam, and fish tacos. Everybody's had fish tacos, shrimp tacos. But what makes ours different is that we have a barbecue blue cheese sauce that we mix with it, or we have a cilantro lime, a coconut lime sauce, and then we have a real spicy honey sauce. Really good. So if you like a kick and sweet, yeah.
What inspired you to come up with spam tacos?
Spam. It's Polynesian. Spam, it can replace any meat source there is.
Well, if you folks are hungry, Hungry Hawaiian's a place to be.
Hawaiian.
So we're over here with Sole Clothing. All right, we're here with Tyrone. He's about to explain a little bit about his company.
Man, plain and simple, Polynesian clothing for my Polynesian people.
Why did you start this Sole Clothing?
To be honest with you, to support my shoe fetish.
All right, we love shoes. Everybody with polys.
Yes.
We love slippers too.
Not today.
It's too hot. The toes make the shoe stinky. Not bueno. Not good. That's not good. So do you design them yourself?
Yes. Some of them are just playing off of other brands.
Yeah, so we got Samoan King. I don't know what that's from. It may be another business that's similar to that. I'm not sure, but you know, I mean, that just makes sense to me. Makes sense. Samoan King. What? You know, I don't know what else is supposed to go here. Just that. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and we got this. We represented for the Crooked Kava as well. Every Thursday. Okay.
What's up, folks? You know, pretty nice day outside. Great booths out here, and got a good taco out here. This is so good. I wish you were here, Matt, but you're probably interviewing at some other booth. But this is a really good taco.
Brett, can you explain to us a little bit about what you're doing here at the Utah Pasifika Festival?
Oh, this is great. I'm demonstrating the T-Zone machine. It's a whole vibration machine. And basically what it is 10 minutes on this equals an hour at the gym.
10 minutes is equal to an hour? Yep. Okay, we're gonna try the T-Zone. So I'm just gonna hop up here. Brett, can you show me how this thing works? Because I'm technologically challenged. So
just stand on it and have fun.
Okay, just stand on it and have fun. Okay, I'm just jiggling right now. I can feel it. I can feel it.
He's building his core, his stomach, his glutes, and his thighs, which will make your back feel even better, stronger.
Yeah, and that's what I want. I definitely want a strong back.
Absolutely.
Right? Because that's what women like, right? I don't know. Do ladies like the back? I'm not sure. I feel like I'm doing Tahitian with the drums in the back. I don't know if y'all can hear them, but I'm just, shaking it right now.
If you watch, it'll even start toning his neck and his face.
Oh yeah, I can feel it in my neck.
Okay, come back forward and bend at your waist. Suck your stomach in to your back. You'll feel it on your stomach. Can you feel it?
I do.
Isn't that amazing?
I'm sucking it in and I feel it on my back.
Yeah.
I also feel like I'm about to fly to Las Vegas. So, you get everything in this. This is pretty impressive.
So 10 minutes on this equals an hour at the gym. Workout for the day.
Oh yes, I mean for the year. So Brett, where can we get more information about the Superman machine or the T-Zone?
You can get that from me.
Oh, okay.
I'm Brent, and you can call me at 801-623-1778.
Do my stretch again? Oh, to my
right? How's that feeling? Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, that's I've gone furthest.
Whoa! Oh, look at that.
That was like 6 more inches. This is what it's about, people. Yeah. This is what it's about. So, give Brent a call. He'll hook you up. Fly to Vegas!
Aloha, folks. Here we are with Ula, and she's going to talk about her business called Diva Lashes.
I'm actually an eyelash extensionist, and Diva Lashes is actually located in Orem, and they're just mink lashes that we apply on each eyelash. So it's about $65 for a full set and $45 for a fill. I mean, for me, I don't have any lashes. I don't wear any mascara. You don't have to put any makeup on. So, I mean, that's the whole reason of getting Diva Lashes.
What inspired you to do this?
I'm always into beauty products. I'm a very girly girl, and I think to help other women that don't have eyelashes, I mean, for them, I think it'll be a good chance for them to, have growth in their lashes. So
if one were to get eyelashes, how would they go about getting them?
They can actually call 801-735-4313.
Can you do a quick demonstration on me?
Quick demonstration?
Yeah, just how you put them on. So it's like one-on-one, right?
Yeah, so you close your eyes, and we use 2 tweezers, sharp tweezers, and we put one on each eye, but we separate it and put one eyelash at a time.
Is it painful?
No, it is not painful at all. And you just sleep and relax for like about 2.5, 3 hours.
Perfect. Well, there you have it, folks. Diva Lashes. Thanks, Ula.
Yeah. Turn me up some. Turn me up.
Okay, so we just shook it out, we just shook it out. I got some corn on the cob. I've done it all today. But that's not it, people, because there's other things as well. And we're right here. Here we are. We are at the Airbrush by Adams Contemporary Tattoos. Would you guys be willing to put perhaps a small design on my face? Okay, all right. I'm about to be paintified. The only thing that stipulation I gave him was no I want black, no rainbows or butterflies. Don't get it twisted, people. Don't get it twisted.
So you start with the base color because it makes pop off and it looks good.
Pop off, you heard? Okay, all right. Can y'all see this? All right. I'm about to be in Lord of the Rings. All right. I don't know if y'all saw that, but this is like, you know, I always wanted to be in that movie. I always did. But when I went to the audition, you know what they told me? You need to gain like 100 pounds. And I said, can I be a hobbit? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. So you guys know, hit it up. We got airbrush tattoos. We also got
Face paint illusions.
Face paint illusions. What you know about that? Check it out right there.
What's up, folks? This is Aaron.
This is Matt.
And to tell you the truth, I'm tired. What about you?
I'm exhausted.
You know, it's great fun. You know, great music, great performers, great company. You know, and just a lot of great different things out here that the community is out here to offer. You know, it's able to get free stuff as well.
Mm-hmm. I got face painting. I got free corn. I got to shake what my mama gave me. I got to do it all, people. And this has been the first annual Utah Pasifika Festival. Provo, Utah, represent what? Now, we're about to get out of here because the weather's not looking so good right now.
Yeah.
So we're about to be out.
Definitely. And we're definitely
Peace.
looking forward to next year. So it's from a poly perspective.
And it's a dance that everyone should see.
Hey, you know when there's no dancers on stage, you can throw money to the musicians. Sophisticated hula is the talk of the town.
They say in the islands of Hawaii, he wants the hands and will tell you a whole story. Not in Tahiti. He wants the hands, you're gonna miss the whole show.